Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lashana. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. So I did a vlog yesterday and I forgot to tell you that I got a book that I just starting to read, and it's about basically a girl talking about learning how to swim. So I will be doing a vlog because I just started to read this since last week Wednesday till now. I'm in reading the book. So I'm gonna be doing a vlog how I enjoy this type of book, and what I like about this vlog. And also I saw some comments before saying that you guys love my channel, and I just want to say thank you so much for loving my channel. I appreciate you guys so much, and I know that regardless I struggle with my volume and the editing, and sometimes the video's not the best, and there's times I still go back to post the vlogs. So I appreciate you guys liking my vlogs. You guys are showing good interest in my vlogs, and I'm very thankful that you guys are supporting me as a YouTuber. And I know sometimes, being a YouTuber is not easy. But yeah, so I cannot wait to do this vlog, and I'll put the website for this book. So in case, let's say when I do the vlog, I'll put the website for this book, and when I film the video, you get the website, and then you guys will get to see me talk about why I enjoy this book, and if I had to buy another book like this, would I buy it again? And hopefully I will. But I like this book, and I can't wait to do a vlog on it. So I'm gonna end this vlog right here, and I cannot wait to see you guys on my Thursday's vlog. Okay, and if you are new, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on my social medias, and again, thank you so much for you guys for liking my channel, and I'm happy that you guys are commenting on my channel so you guys can see me try to do something interesting and try my best to do the type of vlogs you guys want me to do. So stay tuned for this vlog. I cannot wait to film this vlog for this book because it's so interesting. So I'm excited, and I cannot wait to post this vlog and just tell you what I like about this book. And you guys will also enjoy this vlog. So, you guys can watch this vlog. You guys can watch all my other vlogs. And I'll see you guys on my next upload. Bye.